I'm Nicole.
And I'm Kristen.
And we are the Zoe and Chloe Show.
Oh yeah.
Now today's little show is different.
But that's every day.
Very different.
Okay.
See, today's show is called The Demon Inside of Me. She is a random person, and I'm the demon.
Luckily,
Okay.
we've rehearsed this.
Really?
Yeah. Oh god. Oh gosh.
Wow, that's so scary. Oh yeah.
Big jealous!
I barely even could get hers.